As per our really current torrential slide cost forecast, the worth of torrential slide will expanded by 256.24%. Coming to $33.01 by end of 2025. All specialized markers show that the ongoing opinion is negative, while the trepidation and veracity record for the most part is perusing 50.79, and that implies really intense apprehension. Our torrential slide estimate: it's dangerous to all things considered. Sell torrential slide at the present time, on September 20th, 2023. Practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while kind of different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative opinion among torrential slide cost expectations. See the very definite torrential slide cost expectation underneath. You will sort of realize the amount torrential slide is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout recent days, torrential slide sort of has diminished by 12.73%. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, which truly is very critical. Toward the finish of September, the worth of torrential slide expanded by 112.89% and came to approach around $19.30, which is very huge. As of now, all markers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and avarice list shows 50.79 exceptionally intense apprehensions. As per our estimate, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell torrential slide explicitly. At present, torrential slide especially is exchanging beneath the 200 straightforward moving normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31st, 2023, SMA has shown a torrential slide selling signal. The cost of torrential slide really is right now running underneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal, SMA, and it generally shows a sell signal, which is genuinely critical. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will basically hit $14.08 toward December's end. By December 2023, 2024 Avalanche's momentary 50-day SMA shows at $10.72. The general strength record, RSI, energy oscillator, is a famous pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in a really significant way. RSI, all things considered, is at present at Ursivalu. This demonstrates that the AVAX market is in a purchase position. Torrential slide value expectation 2023 in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023. Torrential slide came to $20.99. When it dipped under $10.68, interestingly since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market trades, torrential slide in every way that really matters is headed to passing the $19.82 mark before the current year's over, or so they thought. Before $19.82, it might generally break its characteristic of $146.22, and in every way that really matters, reach. At this point, on 20 September 2023, torrential slide is exchanging at $9.06, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 132.83 M, and it really makes number 23 cash in the entire crypto world. Torrential slide value expectation 2024, there explicitly is plausible that torrential slide can, for the most part, get through the $22.89 hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least torrential slide cost will be between $19.48 to $22.89, and the most probable torrential slide cost will be in every practical sense consistent at around $22.13 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Avalanche's exceptionally wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its earth-hostile energy use, tycoon adventure truly entrepreneur Tim Draper explicitly is adhering to his expectation that torrential slide will especially reach $22.89 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024, which is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that AVAX will, in a real sense, start the year at $26.73 and exchange around $33.01. As per their forecasts, this would sort of be very kind of high contrasted with genuinely a year ago. This is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Torrential slide value forecast 2026. There basically is a decent opportunity that torrential slide 2026 value expectation will kind of twofold in cost, yet it most certainly is likewise conceivable that it may not basically arrive at its normal greatest $41.52 level, or so they thought. Torrential slide is anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking fundamentally high of $38.34 or $41.52 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of torrential slide in a by and large huge manner. Torrential slide value expectation 2027. Torrential slide value expectation, or AVAX, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it has the in every way that really matters, potential to accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, Avalanche's cost essentially is supposed to in every practical sense outperform $41.52 in 2027, which by and large is very critical. It has been anticipated that torrential slide will arrive at the kind of most extreme cost of $41.52, and the base cost is supposed to be around $34.88 in the following a long time from 2027. Torrential slide value forecast 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee truly say that torrential slide value expectation and specialized examination. Torrential slide is supposed to cross a value level of $47.96 in 2028, which truly is genuinely critical. In the meantime, torrential slide is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $43 this year. The greatest cost might reach $48.99 amazingly. Torrential slide value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the torrential slide value forecast and specialized examination especially foresee that the expense of torrential slide will reach $66.60, and the cost of AVAX ought to, for the most part, reach $66.60 before the year's over. Moreover, AVAX can reach up to $61.18 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for torrential slide development. Torrential slide value expectation 2030. Out of 2030, torrential slide value forecast fundamentally are supposed to cross the $94.27 normal cost level, as per torrential slide conjecture and specialized investigation. Toward the finish of